Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download Alightmotion on your mobile device. To download the popular Alightmotion application on your mobile device, first of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open your App Store or your Google Play Store on your mobile device. Go to the search box and type in Alightmotion and search. Look for this application and then tap on the download or the install button to begin downloading Alightmotion on your mobile device in just a couple of steps. Wait for a few minutes and the application will be ready to use. That is how you can easily download Alightmotion on your mobile device in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.